you got the tickets?
Yes, I do.
Son de 100 pesos las de Dulce, son de 100.
A la derecha, Comfort Pass a la izquierda. General on the right.
So we're at the Day of the Dead Carnival here in Guadalajara. Got a little doggy dog.
On this, de este lado. Buenas noches. Ay, estos son.
Bienvenidos. Feliz, feliz. Feliz, feliz. Feliz, feliz. Feliz, feliz. Me siento muy contento, me siento muy feliz.
Tú eres de aquí, gracias. No, es que acaban de llegar unas amigas, me quedó como lindas y luego... Ay, no, por favor.
Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos, buenas noches. Calaverandia 2025 les da la más cordial bienvenida.
I don't want anything. Yummy. Oh, churro time, churro time, churro time. Oh my God, everything smells so good here. Oh, what is he cooking? So I don't know about getting this. Yeah, stuffing my churros here. Like you can get some face painting done here. nice. You want to get on a horse, buddy?
Oh, they came ready.
Yeah. Well, they're doing face paint too. subtitles. Oh, did you take a picture with the butterfly line?
What was over there?
I don't know. I think they're just trying to get people out of here.
Oh. I'm fine going over here. Whoa.
We did it, buddy. Yeah, it was kind of like a little like, whoa.
I walked in, I was like, oh no. Nope, not trying to ruin our night. Alright, I think we've seen it all.
Yeah.
Now I just need a cup. That's it.
So, back over here where the popcorn is.
I tell you what, this was really, I love this. This is amazing. I would even come back. I would definitely come back and do this again.
I thought they were giving away something.
Stay in front of me, honey, because there's a lot more people now.
When we came earlier, you know, there was a lot of places to sit.
There you go.
Little souvenir cup. Ready? Not bad.
Ready? Oh, little. Oh, I probably can't take that out of here.
Oh, he's still too old for it.
No, I'm going to suggest it. Don't even look over there. Wow, that's a lot of steps. I feel like I'm back at the zoo. Sensing a trend.
Well, after all this food we'd be eating, you know.
Yeah. Wonder how long we're gonna have to wait for the taxi. Probably have to take a taxi, huh?
Oh, I don't know. You might have to walk.
I was thinking that. This is really good, nice and soft.
Yeah, I had a really good time here. So if you're in Guadalajara or nearby, suggest you come on down for this because there was a lot to see, a lot to listen to, you know, with the bands, a lot of activities, fantastic food. It was well worth the money. Yeah, we definitely will come back next year. They have a Christmas thing here as well, so we'll have to see how that goes.
Up to you.
Let's see.
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here now. So happy Day of the Dead to you. So celebrate the loved ones that are no longer with us and hold tight the loved ones that are still here. All right.